Welcome back to, if you didn't know, now you do know, that this is the Audio Sideshow. Yesterday I talked about leaving the planet full of toxic negative people and my dream job of exploring other planets. More like a habit, really. A hobby. Exploring other planets, exploring new sources of water and food, other planets where we can breathe, doing the work ahead of time, you know, just to prepare others. Because I get the feeling, there's no rules in the space, and there's as much space as you need. And, there's more room up there. There's more, just a little bit of elbow room that you need. There's nobody arguing. It's nice and quiet, you know. You finally get that paradise you've been looking for. And even, up there, I hear, did you actually, in Jupiter, there's even lightning on Jupiter, so it may not sound safe, but you got lightning on Earth, so Jupiter's a big possibility. Many people have survived lightning. Um, maybe maybe that's a good thing, because lightning, can sometimes mean rain, and I want to do a lot of space crofting, grow my own food on a planet, and mostly just explore. Though most of the time, we'll be staying in the ship. I hope you're not claustrophobic. I hope you have no fear of heights, because if by the time we hit space, it's a little too late, pal. So, yes. Just, and finally picking out your spot and just relaxing in that paradise. It's just you and the stars and our Creator. You're that much closer to His kingdom while still living, when you think about it. And I keep thinking about this, man. Like every time when it gets nicer out, this feeling hits me that I'm gonna end up there. And of course, nobody's gonna save me, but this is my idea. And just to land on a planet that is safe, to finally relax with your favorite beverage, finally being away from all that stuff, when it feels like the world's on your shoulders. And now you can look up even further now and say, not anymore. Just getting away from all the commercialism, all the sheep, all the all the, maybe even getting away from the social media, but not really. That's a big part of what we still need. For obvious reasons like this, to keep you in touch with me. When I make my vlogs, blogs, and logs, okay? All three in a notebook or on a recording device, such as this. And maybe someday somebody will find this, if they find me. And I will not, and you don't need to be a doctor to have some patience. But I don't know how much I will have waiting for a crew to decide whether they're going to show up at the pickup location or not. There's no turning around. There's no going back to Earth once you make this choice. It's a big step. It's bigger than marriage. It's a bigger step than it's a bigger step than becoming parents. You're leaving a planet that you're used to. And with all the bad days you're having of people being so mean to you, is it such a bad idea? Just think about it. I want you to think about this long and hard if you join Shades, if you join Captain Shades. Because I'm not waiting around too long. If no one shows up, then this captain is flying solo on his mission. And I love you all. Don't ever forget you're loved. There's a lot to see other than the rock we are on. and you only get one life. And if real people who want to do some real exploring and not just abandoned places, then you'll join me someday when I'm finished with my craft, my aircraft. You know what I'm talking about if you're a real, true explorer at heart, and you can't be scared. Bring your own food. Bring your favorite food. It'll be months before we land on Earth again, if we land on Earth again, because people are destroying themselves. They're polluting the air. A lot of predictions have come true. You guys ever hear of Notre Dame? Anyways, it was just a question in general. Yeah, I'm gonna miss Earth, alive or dead, whatever comes first, leaving the planet. And, just why not go on some adventures while you're waiting for the Lord to call you? Explore his neck of the woods. If you choose to go to the light. But yeah, just so much to think about. So, peace and quiet on Earth. I mean, see, it's corrupted me already with false things. I meant peace and quiet in space. Just the humming of other planets. Other planets make sounds. Did you know that? It's just so interesting up there. I can't wait. This is Shades of the Audio Sideshow. See you next time. Stay safe.